our building blocks of our graphing are the monomials. What does mono mean? One. So a monomial is an expression containing only one term. So there's no adding or subtracting. It's just that, kind of like that 3x y plus 2. Couple rules: can't have variables in the denominator, and there's no rational exponent. So only whole numbers. Keep it easy. What does poly mean? Many. So many monomials. So we put a bunch of monomials together. You can add them or subtract them, and that's how you get your polynomial. Okay, so we have kind of our general way of saying it. We're used to saw this on the last exam, I think. Plus C, where A, B, and C are just coefficients. It can be any numbers. And then in standard form, it starts big and gets smaller, all the way to their constant. But we need some kind of way to say whatever degree you want. If we have like a 100th degree polynomial, we don't want to write out A equals B, and we'll run out of words. So this AN, the AN minus 1, those are just different coefficients. That's just how we say they're different numbers. So this dot, dot, dot in the middle is kind of that filler in between. Since we don't know how big the polynomial is, we just say, so we have x to the n. So if that was x to the 40, what would our next exponent be? N minus 1, so 39. And instead of writing 38, 37, so 36, we're going to say dot, 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 and then take it up at the end. So x plus a constant. So our degree, we had this, the degree is just the largest number, the largest exponent. But it has to be in standard form, so it has to be from greatest to least. I don't think this is on your notes. So it always has to be in preceding orders. Okay. Our leading coefficient is the coefficient, algebra 1, it's just attached to the variable, and since it's leading, it's right up front. Okay. So if I had, what's my leading coefficient? Be careful. It would be -4. If I wrote this in standard form, it would be -4x cubed plus 2x plus 1. Then what's my degree of the polynomial? 3. What if I had, what's my leading coefficient? 4. What's my degree of the polynomial? 2. What's my leading coefficient? 6. The one with the largest degree. I wrote this in standard form. That would be up front. What's my largest power? Or what's the degree? So this one is on your notes. You have to draw in the arrows. We're looking at end behavior. So this is literally just what the ends are doing. They're going to infinity or negative infinity, and which direction. So we had this, and it was just a line. How could we write that in behavior notation? So if x goes to positive infinity, f of x, we can say y, goes to positive infinity. If x goes to negative infinity, where does y go? Also negative infinity. And that's just the end behavior. It could do have some hills, it can go up and down. Still going to have that same behavior. Now, what if we were going down the mountain? As x goes to infinity, where does y go? And as x goes to negative infinity, y goes to what about our up-ups? What is that? What kind of function do you know that goes up-up? A parabola. Parabola. Or it has some hills in the middle and have the same in behavior. Okay? So as x goes to positive infinity, y goes to, since it's an up-up, they're both going to positive infinity. How did, on the Desmond's activity, how did we get it to flip? We have a negative, so if it was like y equals negative x squared, it would be an upside down parabola. So x goes to infinity, y goes to negative infinity. And as x goes to negative infinity, y goes to negative infinity again. So down, down. So when we're looking for end behavior, we're only looking at the greatest degree. We're used to seeing them in the standard form where it's smaller and smaller, but we don't care about any of that part. Only care about the greatest degree. And it has to be in that order in order to make sure you get it right. So when we have a little table fill out. So if n is even, that's our exponent. We have a little p up top. If n is even, what's the most common even polynomial that you guys have been working with? It's equal to. So this is like our quadratic. So if it's x to the 4th, or x to the 6th, or x to the 50th, no matter what even n is going to have the same end behavior as a parabola you're used to. So, it's going to be up, up, or bottom, bottom. The same direction. So if a is positive, so if our coefficient is positive, we're going to go up, up, or down, down. Up, up. You can put a little example in the box if you want. So like the 3x to the 6. If our coefficient is negative, it's going to flip it. Kind of saw in your Desmond's activity that when you put a negative front, it just reflected it over your x-axis. So again, put a little example out front. So what's an odd function that you know that you've been dealing with since even before parabolas? The simplest thing, a line. So these are our linear functions that you need to think of. That's the x to the 1, right? We don't put the 1, but kind of understood that it's there. So if a is positive, we're going up the mountain. We don't know right now what it does in the middle. Right now we're just looking at the end behavior. And then if a is negative, so if our coefficient has a negative in front, we're going down the mountain. So this example is on the back side of your front page of your notes. We only care about our 2x to the 3rd. You can go ahead and cross the rest of that out. We don't even care about it. So what's our leading coefficient? 2, which is positive. Our degree? 3, which is odd. So odd tells us it's going to go in different directions, and positive tells us we're going up the mountain. So start down low and go up high. Try the next one. Jordan, what's our leading coefficient? Example 2. Our coefficient. -2, which is negative. Okay, it's not in standard form, so this is the one we're looking at. And our degree, we said, was 4, which is even. So even tells us it's going in the same direction. And our -2 is telling us it's flipped over the axis on what we're used to see. So it's down, down. One more example. What's our leading coefficient? -3. We have our negative. And what's our degree? Which is odd. So odd tells us what? So it's going in different directions, and we're going down the mountain. Start at the top, go to the bottom.